Laizhou Kaixiang Machinery Company Limited is a professional enterprise that produces tractor machinery, located in Laizhou City, Yantai, Shandong. It is close to the seaport and has convenient and fast export transportation. We have an independent transportation system to ensure the reliability of transportation. From cutting to assembly, we have an independent production line that can customize our products. Our R&D design and production departments with over 10 years of experience in this field. We have independent tractor research and development design technology, independent research and development departments and teams. The appearance and style of tractors will also be updated with the times, not unchanged. We have independent excitation cutting equipment to improve work efficiency. We can customize different models and styles of tractors according to customer requirements, and each product can be equipped with commonly used agricultural tools such as bulldozers, excavators, filling shovels, weeding wheels, rotary tillage, etc. There are crawler tractors and wheeled tractors available, with horsepower ranging from 25 horsepower to 120 horsepower, and various styles can be customized. We are a manufacturer that can provide satisfactory after-sales service and technical support to global customers. Our machines are sold to many countries and regions around the world, such as the United States, Colombia, Ecuador, Uzbekistan, Sri Lanka, Australia, etc. We also hope that more individuals or distributors will come to purchase them.